everybody. We are headed to Island Vintage Coffee right now to get some coffee and maybe some island platter. We're also going to eat yogurt story today, ube pancakes. We're just going to wait for the kids to get ready. So me and Mary Lou are just going on our own right now. We just parked at the Waikiki Shopping Center, right across the street from Island Vintage. It's right there. And it's a $5 up to 5 hours rate. So that's perfect. These Mickey butts. Island Vintage Coffee. They're gonna bring it to. We got the island breakfast here. And a very nice plate. Portuguese sausage, wild rice, over easy egg, salad, and the papaya with asparagus. And I got the Wailua bowl. Wailua acai bowl. This one has acai, has peanut butter, honey, chocolate, blueberries, strawberries, bananas, and more honey, and the granola. That looks so good. These napkins also double as a holder for all the utensils. Yep, that's stuff. Alright, yep. Let's try this acai bowl. Wow. Everything's so different here in Hawaii. The acai is so much different. Peanut butter is different. Even the chocolate. Chicken's still firm. And back to this acai bowl. Look at that peanut butter. That's how good.
Look what he's gonna do right now. Babe.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
Oh my god. You wanna do that? Go. You wanna try?
You want to try it?
How?
That's the longest one.
Oh yeah. There's one in there.
Get the thick one. See, that one's gonna... Go, babe.
2, 3.
Go, babe.
Yay!
Alright, Roger, your turn.
Good job.
Your turn.
Yep. So we are here at Yogurt Story. Model JR recommended this place because he used to live here. This is Yogurt Story. Super famous for their ube pancakes. This is the menu. So that's ube pancakes. That's loco moco. That's you guys can go ahead and scan that so you can see what they have here. See?
Hey, look at that loco moco.
Like
Oh
this.
my god, it's huge.
Oh my
Do you have to
god.
go up and down the stairs? Hell no, dude. Heck no.
How special is this? Wait, what? Why does it say not available?
What? Ube pancakes?
Oh no, Hawaiian Loco Moco.
Better be.
Alright, we got our food. There's the infamous ube pancakes.
This is really good.
Dulce de leche. Waffles. They didn't have the
Locomoco.
original Locomoco, so he got the Kahlua Pig Locomoco. How was it?
It's not bad.
Good. And then RJ also got the chocolate chip pancakes.
Might have to take that home.
And he said he's not gonna be able to eat it.
Well, we shall see.
We gonna eat. Ube pancakes.
Try it. Oh,
We're kind of full from earlier at Island Vintage, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Let me cut on this side.
wow, it's purple on the inside too.
Look at that pancake. Look how purple that is inside. Usually,
Do you guys want to try my
when I've seen ube pancakes, they're like really
later.
dark, almost brown. But these are purple right here. Alright, Locomoco.
I think I still prefer the hamburger one.
What?
The hamburger one. It's good though.
Kahlua Pig Locomoco.
You need to try this, Lana.
Please do.
Not good.
Very good.
And that pork is tender. Super tender. It's not even chewy. It's good. We're here at Ala Moana Mall. I need to exchange my local motion board shorts because they are too big. And we're gonna go check out a little bit more before we go to Pearl Harbor today. Oh my god, dude. Wait, it might be I don't know. They open at 11. Wow, they got a TNC surf design here. 50 years. Whoa, I've never seen this store before. I've seen it in vlogs though. Local Motion, Ala Moana Center. Gonna go exchange my board shorts. We are here at the Pearl Harbor Memorial.
Protected by more than 8,000 tons of armor plating.
The Admiral on his flagship as he leads his squadron into action. Mythical battle ordered by the signal.
Yeah, from the Arizona. Yeah. Watch. That's someone's watch. Found.
Oh dang.
That's the boat.
Whatever they are called.
sometimes you can still see the oil leaking from the ship. I can't see any oil right now. There's a little bit of oil right there. There's a little bit of oil coming out. Little bits. It's like drips. So it's like coming out little by little. See right there, babe? The bottom. Right there. Ah, man, it went away. You see it? See it? So I am trying the hot dog masubi. This looks good. That's good right there. Limu ahi poke. Right here. The limu ahi.
This is mine, right, babe?
Yeah, baby. Oh, that's the one that I got. Do you want to get
Hot spam.
Damn.
That's good, huh? The thing is, this one might be in there a little bit better. That's maybe the
Oh, so good.
It doesn't matter, baby. No. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Poke is so good in Hawaii.
Do you guys want to try some of that?
That's the spicy.
Let's try the spaghetti.
That's good.
It's almost like Filipino spaghetti. Almost. What do you think they put? Jufran? Thank you, Jay.
No problem.
We here at Tanaka Simon because everywhere else is packed. And Dina mentioned that this place is hella good, close by our hotel, Tanaka Simon. Got a wide range of stuff you eat here too. There's no wait here. Tanaka Simon with Dina and Buddy. What up? They finally got a day off. Well, Buddy got a day off. Yeah.
Dina was off the whole week.
Dina was off this whole week.
Must be nice.
Finally eating some dinner. What do you got? Some Simon here?
Yeah, all kinds.
Oh, what kind of menu? Okay.
Yeah. Get burgers, everything.
Yeah.
And then the special.
Simon, those are the
Oh, these are the daily specials right here? Oh, okay. Friday, Hawaiian plate, beef short ribs, lau lau.
No more Hawaiian sauce. They are, yeah. But we have bento, cheese market brandy,
Okay.
and then we have shrimp pasta,
Okay.
bento, yeah. Those
Thank
are
you.
still,
Thank you.
yeah. And this is Simon.
Nice. All right, we both got prime rib. I'm not gonna say who got the bigger one. Simon.
Simon, God.
We got some Simon. She wanted soup today, so we got this right here. I got some ribeye, not ribeye, prime rib.
The princess.
I got mac salad. I got an extra mac salad. The side order. Some clam chowder. Buddy also got some prime rib. Same as mine, exactly the same. And then he got some fried Simon with teriyaki beef.
Yeah.
And then Dina got the combo mixed plate with katsu chicken katsu with some shrimp
Tempura.
and shrimp tempura. We gonna eat. Can I film you eating, babe? Come on.
No.
That's a big piece. And what is this, garlic right here?
No. That's a horseradish, babe.
Horseradish? Oh,
Really?
never had horseradish.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
Remember we had
Oh,
We cooked it
yes, we did.
for
I don't-
Christmas.
Yes. Thank you for reminding me. Putting that on there. You like spicy, huh, buddy? I can eat spicy to an extent.
Oh my gosh, it's so good, babe.
Kaylana can eat spicy. I don't know how she does it. Well, she tomorrow, that's why. Our son's fiance.
Oh, no kidding.
She's tomorrow. Never had a big fried ice cream like this. Everything's like so small. Alright, I'm try cutting it. I'm not gonna hold this. How do I hold this?
Look your hand.
Oh.
Fine.
It's huge. That's a scoop of ice cream right there. Everything is maybe less than half of that. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna eat it right now. You guys want some? Just the way I thought it would be.
It tastes like.
Vanilla ice cream and a malasada.
Okay.
This should just be called a fried ice cream malasada.
Is there really a malasada in there? Is it like?
No,
Oh.
but it's
Oh.
just like it. Hella good though. It's the size of a malasada.
He's with Leonard's already.
Yeah, we hit Leonard's up already.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, especially the one with the house.